So over here you can see that I am in the workflow interface in Adobe Bridge. So to access the workflow interface, you can go around over here onto the workflow over here on the tab on the top, or you can go around over here onto Windows, Workspace, and then choose Workflow. So over here you can see the workflow task diagram. And if I were to go around onto, let's say for example, a particular workflow right here, you can see the workflow task diagram for that particular preset that you have right here. For example, there's custom for sample, and let's say what I want to do is I want to run through these effects right here. So I can simply go ahead and let me hold control to select out some images right here. And what I can simply do is drag this out over here onto the workflow preset right here. So there's 4 jobs as you can see, and in order for you to start it, you can simply go around and start the workflow. Then what happens is that the workflow actually carries out, as you can see, and it has been saved in the images workflow section. So this is a workflow that actually resizes and then saves the images to the workflow folder in diff format. So if I were to go around onto the workflow folder right here, then you can see that these images are now in diff format right here, just like this. And if I were to go around over here onto the essential section right here, so essential tab, then you can see that if I were to go around over here, then you can see that it has been resized right here, just like this as well. And that is how you can go ahead and run workflows inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.